Okay, can you give me the difference between wave, tides and tsunami?
Yes.
Waves, tides and tsunami.
Sir, I am not aware of it.
What kind of unit used to measure the average speed of ship generally?
Sir, sir, not.
Can you give me the relation? Not is equal to and range of sin square x.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, Aman,
Yes, sir.
what's your full name?
Sir, Aman Prajapat.
Okay, Aman. How many mock interviews have you gone through so far?
Sir, it is my first interview.
First? Okay. So tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Aman Prajapat. I am 19-year-old. I am from a small village named Choba Piplia, which is in Devas district of Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
I have passed my class 10th and 12th from MP board with 82% marks in 10th and 77% marks in my 12th. And sir, my PCM was also 77%. Sir, apart from this, I have a nuclear family consisting of 4 members, including me. My father, Mr. Manoj Prajapat, he is a farmer and also runs a ready-made garment shop. And my mother name is Seema Prajapat, she is a good homemaker. I have also a younger brother, he is currently studied in class 12. Sir, about my hobbies, I enjoy spending my free time working in the field with my father, where I help in activities such as sowing, irrigation, harvesting and crop maintenance. Along with this, sir, I also love to take care of my cows, where I do activities, and it is my daily routine, such as feeding them, maintain cleanliness and monitoring their health.
How much land do you own?
Sir, we have only 1 to 1.5 acre of land.
Okay. And all of that is used for farming?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And also talk about how many cows do you own?
Sir, 2.
2. Okay. So walk us through your journey regarding working on the farms. I mean, what do you do? What have you done? So basically, my first question is, what kind of crops do you grow?
Sir, potato, onion, soybean, wheat, garlic, all of this, sir.
What is the best time to grow potatoes?
Sir, best time to...
Tell us the entire process from the beginning, from sowing a seed all the way up to harvesting, step by step.
We shows potato in the month of September to October.
Okay.
And it takes only 2 to 2.5 month of days. And sir, it is the time of harvesting of potatoes. And sir,
which is the time? What is the time for harvesting?
Sir, January.
January.
Sir,
okay.
Sir, recent my father has harvest about in bighas in my Madhya Pradesh. Potato are sir 10 to 12 bighas of potato has harvested.
Okay. How much income does your father generate through farming?
Sir, profit only.
Let's talk about profit.
Sir, about 50 to 60,000.
Annual profit or?
Sir, only potato. Sir, annual profit is about 2 to 3 lakh.
Okay, that's profit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Continue your introduction from the point where you left. Just want to know what else do you have in the
Yes,
introduction.
sir. Sir, I was a class representative in my school from 9 to 12th, where I developed my leadership skills. Along with helping my father, I also maintained a decent marks in my academics. Sir, about my strength, I am an adaptable and team working person. Farming has taught me the real meaning of teamwork during activities like sowing, watering and harvesting, everyone on the field working together. And it makes me adaptable because in the farming we have to work in different weather conditions and face many unexpected situations. That's all about me, sir.
Tell me one instance when you went through unfavorable situation, weather conditions or something that you were talking about.
Sir, 1 year ago, we shown 2 to 3 bighas of soybean, and sir, suddenly we have to see that the most of the soybeans are destroyed by the animals, and under such conditions, sir, we have to try to solve that problem. But sir, I so sorry, sir.
No worries, no worries. I talked about teamwork. Did you study from English medium school?
Yes, sir.
People spoke in English?
Sir,
At school or not?
no, sir. Sir, in my school, it is a school in my village. Sir, in the village, no people have spoken English.
No, I'm talking about in school.
No, sir. Hindi is.
How did you work on your communication skills?
Sir, I practice in the mirror daily basis, and also try to speak with people in English. And sir, watching movies, English web series. That's all about, sir.
Okay. You completed your plus 2 12th grade in which year?
Sir, 2024.
2024, okay. So we are in 2026.
Yes, sir.
Why do we have a 2-year gap?
Sir, coming from a village background, I am not aware about the merchant navy. So sir, sorry, I am not.
Okay, so in simple words, tell me what did you do in the last 2 years?
Sir, I take admissions in BSc first year.
Okay, last year, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are in the second year of BSc at the moment?
Yes, sir.
You're pursuing it or not? Or
Sir,
have
I
you-
am
have you
pursuing
quit
it. I fill the private form, and along with this, I studying for the merchant navy.
So you just have to visit the college for examination?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why merchant navy? Why do you want to switch from BSc to merchant navy?
Because sir, in my college.
Just tell me the reason for joining merchant navy.
Okay, sir.
Why
Sir,
merchant
coming from a farming background, my father is a farmer, and we have only 1 to 1.5 acre of land. And whatever income we get from farming, it mostly used for our daily expenses. And farming income is unstable. Sometimes crops get damaged due to bad weather conditions, and
But you said your father also runs a garment shop.
yes, sir. And sir, and the remaining household expenses are managed through my father's ready-made garment shop.
Okay.
Sir, I know that in future it become difficult for my father to manage both farming and his ready-made garment shop. So I want to take responsibility for my family's financial need and also support my younger brother in his higher studies. And sir, secondly, I want to join this industry because whenever I saw officers, it looks very smart and respectful to me. Also, sir, the merchant navy is constantly evolving industry, and it requires adaptability and willingness to learn new skills. Sir, I am eager to develop my skills and up to date with latest technologies and innovations. And also, sir, it provides me a global exposure because, sir, I am from a small village where I have limited exposure. And merchant navy provides me this type of global exposure. In merchant navy, I do work in the ocean where I had never seen from the beach. Also, sir, it gives me the opportunity to do work with peoples of different countries. Where I learn their languages, way of working, and their culture. So, sir, I want to join this industry.
But you are weak in communication. I can see you are struggling a lot.
Yes,
Why do you think that we should select you?
Sir, I have a strong interest in merchant navy. Officers must have certain qualities and skills which is required in merchant navy. Sir, I can say I have some major combinations of skills which is required in merchant navy. Sir, I am from a farming background, and from farming I learn teamwork because we have to work with laborers to complete our work on time, especially in harvesting season. Also, sir, it developed my. Also, sir, from farming I developed adaptability, and I developed my physical and mental strength because in the farming we have to work in different weather conditions, And also, sir,
Okay, no worries. So let us move on to the technical segment now.
yes, sir.
So let's start with physics section, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, do you know speed and velocity?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Difference
the
between speed and velocity.
yes, sir. Sir, for speed, the distance traveled by an object in a given interval of time is called its speed. And sir, the total displacement traveled by an object in a given interval of time is called its velocity. Sir, speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Sir, speed can be 0 or positive, it can never be negative. And velocity can be negative, positive, and even when 0.
Okay, good. So, what is the formula for average velocity?
Sir, average velocity is defined as the total displacement traveled by an object in a total interval of time.
Okay. What kind of speed measured by the speedometer of vehicle?
Sir, speedometer of the vehicle measures the instantaneous speed.
And what is the function of odometer?
Odometer. Sir, odometer measures the distance.
Yeah, displacement.
Sir, distance.
Okay. Do you know fathom?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it is used to measure the depth of the sea, and 1 fathom is equals to 10 to the power minus 6. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay. What kind of unit used to measure the average speed of ship generally?
Sir, sir, not.
Not. And can you give me the relation? Not is equal to.
Sorry, sir, I not recall about.
Okay. How can convert kilometer per hour into meter per second?
Sir, we multiplied the kilometer per hour by 5 by 18.
Okay. Formula for linear momentum.
Sir, linear momentum L equals to mass into velocity, and where L is the linear momentum,
L. Yeah, P.
Sir, P equals to m cross mv. Sir, where is P is the linear momentum, m is the mass of the body, and v is the velocity of the body.
And what is the formula for impulse?
Sir, impulse is equals to force into time.
Time is change in time.
Sir, impulse equals to force into change in time, and it is the small force is acted on the body.
Okay. Newton's second law of motion.
Sir, according to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to the external force applied on the body.
Okay. An example.
Sorry, sir.
You don't know the example of Newton's second law?
Sir, no, I am not aware of it.
So, okay. Conservation of linear momentum. Can you explain it? Conservation of linear momentum.
Conservation of. No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Archimedes principle.
Sir, according to Archimedes principle, when a body is fully or partially submerged in a fluid, which is buoyed up by a force which is equal to the weight of the displaced fluid, and this force is called buoyant force, the magnitude of buoyant force is equals to F equals to V rho G.
What is V here?
Sir, V is the volume of immersed body, rho is the density of liquid, and G is the acceleration due to gravity.
Okay. Oh, a iron nail sink into the water, but in other hand the ship which is also made up of the iron, but
Yes.
that ship is float on the water. Why?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know? Try.
Sir, because sir, it is based on the law of flotation. In comparison of iron nail and ship, sir, the density of ship is less than the density of water. But the other hand, sir, the density of iron nail is greater than the density of water. Hence, the ship float on the water.
Okay. Difference between mass and weight.
Sir, mass is defined as the quantity of matter that body contains, whereas weight is the force of gravity is applied on the body earth alone.
Earth?
Earth alone.
Earth alone. Okay.
Sir, mass is a scalar quantity while weight is a vector quantity.
So what is the direction of weight?
Sir, toward the center of earth.
Good. Your weight is? Just
So
tell me
my-
your weight now.
Sir, my weight is 600 Newton.
600 Newton. So if I say 60 kg, then it is okay or not?
Sir, it is my mass.
If I say your weight is 60 kgf, not 60 kg.
Sir,
So
yes.
this is okay or not? 60 kgf.
60 kg.
kgf. Not okay.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because it is not my mass. It is kgf stand for kilogram force.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me sea route from Mumbai to London?
Yes, sir. First we start from Mumbai port, then Arabian Sea, then Gulf of Aden, then Gulf of Aden, then Red Sea, then Swiss Gulf, Swiss Canal. After that we will enter to the Mediterranean Sea, and then Mediterranean Sea to Al Barun Sea to Strait of Gibraltar. After that Strait of Gibraltar we enter in the North Atlantic Ocean. After that North Atlantic Ocean, then we reach to London, sir.
Okay. Why do season occur?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware about it.
Okay. Can you give me the difference between wave, tides and tsunami?
Yes.
Waves, tides and tsunami.
No, sir, I am not aware about it.
Okay. What is dew point?
Dew point. The point at which saturation occurs is called the dew point.
You said that point. What do you mean by point?
Sir, it
This
is that.
point is what?
Yes, sir. It is that point at which air can't hold more water.
But what is that point? That point is maybe energy, or maybe pressure, or any other thing. The point.
Or is it a point like this? Physical point, like a
What
location.
is the? What do you mean by point?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Can you give me the ideal gas equation?
Yes, sir. Sir, PV equals to nRT for one molecules of the gas.
So the ideal gas is possible or not? Can we make a sample of ideal gas? This is possible.
Yes, sir. Sir, either for a real gas, when we decreases the temperature of the real gas, it behaves like an ideal gas.
It behaves like ideal gas.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Explain working of pressure cooker.
Sir, pressure cooker working on the Gay-Lussac law. According to it, for a given mass of an ideal gas at a constant volume, the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to the temperature, absolute temperature. And sir, when a pressure cooker is heated, the temperature increases by the steam inside the container, and the temperature and the increase in pressure and the temperature by the steam causes the cook to cook faster.
So when we increase the pressure, what happened inside the pressure cooker?
Sir, when we increase the temperature, the boiling point of water also increases.
What happened when boiling point of water increases?
Sir, when we increase the pressure, the boiling point of water increases, and it causes to food cook faster.
Okay, no problem. If sin A equal to 3 by 5,
Yes,
if
sir.
sin A equal to,
3 by 5.
then cosec A will be?
Cosec
Cosec A.
5 by 3.
Good. And tan A will be?
Tan A.
A.
So tan A will be 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the range of sin X?
Sir, -1 to 1.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So range of sin X.
Range of?
Sin X.
Sir, domain of sin X equals to real.
I am talking about range. A range of sin X.
Sir, -1 to 1.
And range of sin square X?
Sorry, sir.
So अमन प्रजापत है ना बेटा, आपका ये पहला इंटरव्यू था,
Yes, sir.
तो आपका टैलेंट में था, फिर भी आपने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। हालांकि बहुत जगह थोड़ी बहुत मिस्टेक्स हैं वो आप ठीक कर लेंगे।
यस सर।
जैसे मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि रेंज ऑफ साइन एक्स आपने आंसर किया सर -1 to 1 बोला आपने, राइट?
यस सर।
लेकिन -1 to 1 मेरे लिए क्या, मैं उसको -1 को कंसिडर करूँ कि ना करूँ? अब आप बताइए, आपने आंसर किया ना -1 to 1।
यस सर।
अब वो -1 to 1 में -1 इंक्लूड है कि नहीं?
सर इंक्लूड है।
तो आपको वो बोलना पड़ेगा ना सर, क्लोज ब्रैकेट -1 to 1।
यस सर।
समझ, आपको पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी पड़ेगी।
यस सर।
पहली गलती है। दूसरा, जब मैंने पूछा साइन स्क्वायर एक्स, तो अगेन आप किसी नंबर का अगर स्क्वायर करोगे तो निगेटिव नंबर तो मिलेगा ही नहीं,
यस
तो
सर।
-1 तो हट जाएगा। आप चेंज कहाँ से चलेगी? 0 to 1। थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान देना है, ठीक है। फिर हमने पूछा था एवरेज वेलोसिटी, ये आपने ठीक बताया। स्पीडोमीटर, ओडोमीटर क्या डिस्टेंस मेजर करता है? फैदम, आपकी फैदम 1 फैदम = 6 फीट होता है।
यस सर।
नॉट क्या होता है? यूनिट होती है स्पीड की, जो इस शिप के मेजरमेंट के लिए इस्तेमाल की जाती है। एंड 1 knot = 1 nautical mile per hour होता है।
यस सर।
ठीक है, और ये कन्वर्जन आपने बता दिया था। इम्पल्स, जो मैंने बोला था, फोर्स इनटू चेंज इन टाइम होता है।
यस सर।
इम्पल्स क्या होता है? फोर्स इनटू
Change in
या आप
time।
ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं सर, चेंज इन मोमेंटम को ही इम्पल्स बोला जाता है।
यस।
ठीक है। दूसरा, जब हमने बोला न्यूटन्स लॉ की बात की थी, कंजर्वेशन ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम नहीं बताया आपने।
यस सर।
तो अब जब हम वर्ड कह रहे हैं कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंट, यानी कि मोमेंटम कंजर्व होगा। ठीक है। एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अगर किसी बॉडी पे 0 है तो उसका मोमेंटम क्या रहेगा?
कंजर्व रहेगा।
डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेट आपने सही बताया था, लेकिन जब हमने बोला था 60 kgf, तो kgf ये यूनिट है वेट की।
यस।
आपने बोला था नहीं हो सकता सर, हो सकता है। आपका वेट अगर मैं कह रहा हूँ 60 kgf, इसका मतलब हुआ आपका वेट है 600 न्यूटन और आपका मास है 60 kg।
Yes,
उसको शॉर्ट में बोलते हैं 60 kgf, यानी कि 1 kgf में 10 न्यूटन होता है अप्रोक्स।
यस।
एग्जैक्ट बोलेंगे तो 9.8 न्यूटन हो जाएगा।
यस।
क्लियर है। लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा था आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल पे पूछा था, आपने स्टेटमेंट बोला था वो ठीक था, स्टेटमेंट ठीक था, लेकिन जब हमने बोला था कि आयरन नील डूब जाता है शिप ऑफ का फ्लूइड, आपने फिर भी आप आ गए थे कि एवरेज जो डेंसिटी है, वो आपने डेंसिटी वर्ड इस्तेमाल किया था। एवरेज डेंसिटी बोलेंगे वहाँ पे।
यस सर।
क्या बोलेंगे वहाँ पे?
एवरेज डेंसिटी।
डेंसिटी नहीं, क्योंकि वो बना तो स्टील का ही है ना, लेकिन वहाँ पे ओवरऑल जो उसका स्ट्रक्चर है उसकी वजह से कुछ एवरेज डेंसिटी वो कम हो जाती है।
यस।
सो दैट वो क्या करेगा? फ्लोट करेगा। आप ऐसा बोल सकते थे।
यस सर।
बाकी एक बार ठीक है, आप बार बार जो टेक्निकल वीडियो देखते रहिए
यस सर।
और पीडीएफ को अच्छे से लर्न करिए।
यस सर।
क्लियर?
अमन,
यस सर।
सो जैसे कि तुम्हारा ये पहला मॉक था, कंसिडरिंग दैट द फैक्ट दैट इट वाज योर फर्स्ट मॉक इंटरव्यू, यू हैव डन ए ग्रेट जॉब। मतलब पहले मॉक इंटरव्यू में जैसे जनरली कैंडिडेट्स स्टूडेंट्स नर्वस हो जाते हैं, ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं बिल्कुल, बट तुमने पूरा एफर्ट लगाया है, लास्ट तक नहीं छोड़ा, बट कोई भी मोमेंट ऐसा नहीं आया कि बिल्कुल ब्लैंक हो गए। यू ट्राइड।
यस सर।
और उसके लिए जो है हमने जो है वी रियली अप्रिशिएट यू। तो अब थोड़ा सा कंटेंट में बात कर लेते हैं। अभी जब तुम 2-4 मॉक इंटरव्यूज़ दे दोगे तो धीरे धीरे जो तुम्हारी नर्वसनेस है ये सब ठीक हो जाएगी। सो एक बहुत कॉमन चीज़ पहले मैं बता देता हूँ किसी भी आंसर में, क्योंकि जैसे तुम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो इंग्लिश बोलने में, ठीक है, सो तुम्हें आंसर को ज़्यादा मेमोराइज नहीं करना है।
Yes,
ज़्यादा रॉट, इसको रॉट मेमोराइजेशन नहीं करना है चीज़ों का, तुम भूल जाओगे। मैं बताता हूँ कैसे। फॉर एग्जांपल, जो चीज़ तुम जिस चीज़ को तुम एक्सप्लेन इलेबोरेट नहीं कर पाओगे, जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाओगे, वो बोलना नहीं है। तुमने अडेप्टेबिलिटी वाला पॉइंट डाला वहाँ पर।
यस सर।
वो ज़रूरी है। इंट्रोडक्शन की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। इंट्रोडक्शन में हमें बेसिक डिटेल्स के अलावा अपनी जो सेलिंग पॉइंट्स है, जैसे तुम्हारे यहाँ तुमने क्या करा है कि फार्म्स में काम करा है, यू हैव वर्कड योर फादर ऑन द फार्म्स, राइट?
यस सर।
अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू मैनेज योर स्टडीज़।
Yes.
तो तुम्हारा रिस्पॉन्सिबल हार्ड वर्किंग नेचर दिखाता है। टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी इसमें कहीं ना कहीं आ सकता है। इसके अलावा यू कम फ्रॉम अ लोकेलिटी वेयर पीपल डू नॉट स्पीक इंग्लिश
यस सर।
इवन एट स्कूल, राइट?
Yes, sir.
स्टिल यू हैव बीन एबल टू स्पीक, मतलब तुम ट्राई कर रहे हो, यू हैव बीन ट्राइंग।
Yes,
तो
sir.
ये भी हम ऐड कर सकते हैं सर, और इसको रिलेट करते हैं। सो व्हेन आई केम टू नो अबाउट मर्चेंट नेवी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स,
यस सर।
आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन देम। अब कैसे कैसे तुमने करा है वो तुम बता सकते हो, वहाँ पर ऐड हो सकता है। दूसरा, वाई मर्चेंट नेवी, तुमने जब, फिर से बोल देता हूँ, अगर तुम स्ट्रगल करते हो इंग्लिश में तो तुम्हें क्या करना है, सबसे पहले बस बहुत सिंपल रखना चीज़ों को। ऐसे ये नहीं बोलना कि ये हुआ वो हुआ, सीधे बोलो सर मैंने पूछा वाई डू यू वांट टू जॉइन मर्चेंट नेवी, सो स्टार्ट विद द रीजन, सर आई वांट टू जॉइन मर्चेंट नेवी बिकॉज। ये मत बोलो कि व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 11 ये वो, ऐसे नहीं बोलना। सीधे बोलो सर आई वांट टू जॉइन मर्चेंट नेवी बिकॉज आई वांट टू रेज द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस ऑफ माई फैमिली। उसको इंट्रोडक्शन रिलेट करते हुए कि एज आई मैंशन माई फादर इज़ अ स्मॉल स्केल फार्मर and to manage the household expenses he also runs a garment shop। उन्होंने बहुत हार्ड वर्क करा है, ठीक है। तो मर्चेंट नेवी में ज्वाइन करूँगा तो मैं अपनी जो फैमिली है उसका फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस रेज कर दूँगा।
यस सर।
इस तरीके से फिर ये ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर, वर्क इन ओशियंस, डिफरेंट कल्चर, ये उसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी नहीं तुम्हें बोलने की।
Yes, sir.
ऐसे तुम फिर टैक्स फ्री सैलरी बोलोगे और बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोल दोगे। सो एक पॉइंट पर रखिए और आगे बढ़ो, ठीक है। अच्छा, लास्ट वाई शुड बी सिलेक्टिव, तो अब इसको भी ऐसे शुरू करना है। सर यू मे सेलेक्ट मी, सर यू मे सेलेक्ट मी बिकॉज एज आई मैंशन,
Yes.
ठीक है, आई हैव वर्कड इन फर्म्स विच हैज़ मेड मी, विच शोज माई हार्ड वर्क एंड डेडिकेशन। जो तुमने पढ़ाई भी कोई मैनेज किया वो सारा कुछ कर, मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन से ही सारी चीज़ें रिलेट होंगी।
Yes, sir.
ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना है, ठीक है।
Yes.
सीधे ये नहीं बोलना कि सर यू मे सेलेक्ट मी बिकॉज आई पजेस द सेट ऑफ स्किल्स, आई पजेस सर्टेन क्वालिटीज़, वो नहीं।
Yes, sir.
सर यू मे कंसिडर मी, यू मे सेलेक्ट मी फॉर माई हार्ड वर्किंग एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल नेचर, इस तरीके से बोलते हैं। और तो वो एज आई मैंशन, फिर उसको रिलेट करते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन से।
Yes, sir.
समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर नेक्स्ट राउंड। अभी के लिए तुम्हारा जो टोटल स्कोर है वो 47% के आसपास है। सो यू आर इन द रेड जोन मेरे हिसाब से, और सर के हिसाब से येलो जोन है। सो अभी क्योंकि नॉन टेक में भी बहुत काम करना है तुम्हें, टेक्निकल में भी, तो अभी रेड जोन में ही हो तरह से।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द नेक्स्ट राउंड।
Thank you, sir.